Hello everyone, this is Shelby from Cooking Engineering Equipment Xiamenkou Limited. It's good to see you again. And today I would like to introduce you the famous star product of XCMG. It's mini excavator XE35U. And as you can see, 3.5 mini excavator can use in lot of area like garden use, small working area use. And so I would like to introduce you this machine. And this machine can adopt some attachments like narrow bucket and hydraulic breaker. Here, let's have a look. This is 300mm narrow bucket, and this is hydraulic breaker that can meet your various requirements. Let's look at its wide view cap. XE35U mini excavator is full hydraulic operation. This is the job stick, and it is equipped with substandard seat that make operator feel comfortable when operating this excavator. And the multifunctional screen. Let's look at its boom. XE35U has swing boom, can let the boom swing left and right. And it is equipped with hydraulic pipeline, an optional hydraulic breaker. Let's look at the detail of its engine. The engine is from Japanese famous brand Kubota engine. The model is D1703 with 18.2 kW. The engine is really powerful, and if you are interested in other model like Yamaha engine, you can also change it. Here is the end of the video. If you are interested in this mini excavator or other models, please feel free to contact me. I will give you my best price. Thank you. Bye bye.